Physics. When you first hear the word, you may or may not remember all those strange-looking diagrams and equations which just don't make sense. Or maybe the word brings you a pleasant feeling of passion and excitement, where you remember all the fascinating things it has taught you. These two utterly different perspectives are hardly reliable in how you were taught physics. Congrats to all of you who have found their passion upon this misinterpreted subject. And those of you who yet don't know what the matter of physics is, I hope this video inspires you into looking up more about the fascinating things physics has to offer. To help you out, I'll give you guys some references and talks that inspired me and increased my love and passion for this subject at the end of the video, so stay tuned. From the title of the video, you probably know what it's about. So, what kind of high school physics do I mean? As far as I know, when it comes to teaching physics, most schools stick to only teaching their students the concepts and formulas and how to apply them. Yes, only. This is not physics. Well, technically it is, but how are students supposed to thoroughly understand the given curriculum with only the core concepts given, without understanding how or why this happens? How are they supposed to remember these important pieces of information without relating to it or making some kind of connection with it? To show real physics, first it is required that the basic derivations are shown to develop a deep sense of understanding in the students. Like, how is this equation valid? Why is it valid? Personally, whenever I meet a derivation of an equation that I long knew, I feel accomplished and eternally say, I finally understood it. Not any understanding, but a literal deep one that sticks in one's mind for a period longer than ever expected. For example, students learning about forces and kinetic energy know the formula of each of the two concepts, but wouldn't it be much easier to digest and understand it if the kinetic energy formula was derived from the force formula? Second, to further apply these understood theoretical concepts and equations, experiments should be conducted. Not necessarily ones that require big preparation, but simple ones that keep students engaged in every class. Like a simple electric motor mainly using a battery and a wire, or even simpler like a raisin in a glass of lemonade. Many students view physics as a hard and undigestible subject, maybe because it is hard indeed, but there are ways to minimize this perception physics has attained and maximize its lovability in students. To do my best in accomplishing this goal and changing the perceived image people have of physics, I'll work on uploading weekly videos of experiments, derivations, and real-life connections that are related to some major physical concepts. Coming to the end, I linked some videos that I genuinely liked and thought might inspire anyone interested in learning or simply exploring the real and fascinating physics. Let me know what your opinions and arguments are about this topic in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and like if you agree.